how to add and make and create student portfolio on Google Sites. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Sites. This is the home page, as you can see. Now click here on template gallery. After you click on it, it will take you here. Now all what you have to do is scroll down and you will find student portfolio. Click on it, and here, as you can see, wait a few seconds and you will be able to change the name from here and the about section, the pictures, by clicking on it. You can change everything, as you can see. After you finish, click here on publish and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later in the next video.